Hi, I'm Sandy from the Home Depot Rental Center. If you need a portable heat source for your well-ventilated work area, Mighty M's kerosene heaters are a great solution. The 75,000 BTU unit extends heat up to 1,700 square feet, while the 190,000 BTU unit has the capacity to heat up to 4,300 square feet of space. On a full tank, they both are capable of keeping your workspace warm for over 9 hours. Now, before you get started, just like any other piece of equipment, there are safety precautions you need to take. Do not operate the heater indoors. Always use the heater in a well-ventilated area, free of flammable vapors and combustible materials. Ventilation is very important, and fresh air must be provided in your workspace. Never allow any part of your body or other materials to touch the exposed metal parts of the machine. Only use the fuel types recommended in the safety manual, and do not refuel while it's running. And of course, keep children and animals away from the heater at all times. While these heaters are powered by electricity, they require fuel to generate heat. When filling the tank, make sure you're outside or in a well-ventilated area and on a level surface. Fill the tank with fresh kerosene until the fuel gauge points to F. You could also use number 1 or number 2 diesel fuel. Do not use gasoline in these heaters. Secure the cap and move the heater into your workspace. Plug the power cord into a 3-pronged 16-gauge grounded extension cord. Then plug the extension cord into a GFCI outlet or generator. Set the temperature using the thermostat control knob. The temperature options range from 40 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Turn the heater on by pressing the power switch to on. The power indicator lamp and the room temperature display will light up and the heater will start. However, if the temperature is set too low, the heater will not start. To fix this, simply turn up the thermostat until the unit fires. Never leave the machine unattended while burning or connected to a power source. When you're finished, or if you need to leave the area, press the power switch off and unplug the power cord. If you need to restart the heater, plug in the power cord and wait a minimum of 10 seconds before pressing the power switch back to the on position. Allow the unit to cool down a minimum of 15 minutes. Once cool, wipe down the heater and store in a safe, non-freezing area. When you're ready to transport the unit, make sure it's properly secured in your vehicle. Visit your local Home Depot or homedepot.com/rental to learn more about the best tools for your next project.